welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today I have a huge haul to share with you guys. I shopped my heart out when it came to Pink Friday and Black Friday sale that was there recently, and I think this is the only time of the year that I shop my heart out when it comes to makeup, because otherwise usually I get a lot of products, so I don't want to accumulate a lot, but this is the time when I shop everything that I want. And anyways, I needed a few products in my vanity, so I have a lot to share with you guys. It's gonna be a long video, so without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so starting with this huge package from Nykaa, I'm gonna dig in and show you guys everything in a very random order. So recently I had a huge obsession with, I don't know, foundations. I just wanted to buy every foundation that was out there in the market, so because I wanted to review it for you guys. Yeah, that was my reasoning. So the first one I have is this Blue Heaven Hyper Matte Foundation. Now this is what it looks like. It's a super inexpensive foundation. I think I got it only, it's for 200 and I got it I think only for 140 or 160. I'm very excited to review it for you guys. This is what the packaging looks like. Let me just open up and show you guys. So this is what the actual product looks like. The packaging is actually really good. It's frosted bottle and doesn't feel super cheap. Very excited to try it out. You guys know everything will go up on my Instagram and on my YouTube. You can also comment below जो भी product का आपको review देखना है. You can just comment below and I will share my review with you guys. Next up, I also got a few repurchases. So this is the Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. Now I am in love with this concealer. It's a super inexpensive concealer, and I think this is the only concealer that I would have ever finished, and it was finished, so I obviously repurchased it. You guys know what this looks like. Then I have, yeah, I was very excited, and it was a, I don't know, very impulse purchase, but I wanted to try the Huda Beauty concealer. This is the Fox Filter Luminous Matte Concealer, and this is what I have on my face right now. It is genuinely so good. You guys will see a full review. मैं इसको पहले try करना चाहती थी, so that sometimes first impressions can be, I mean, first impressions aren't a complete review obviously, so I wanted to try it completely before I recommend it to you guys, because of course it's very expensive, so I didn't want you guys to waste your money. So this is what the outer packaging looks like. Let me show you guys the actual product. I have it right here because I just used it. Yeah, so this is what the actual product looks like. It's honestly very tiny, but yeah, it has a lot of product and it is just amazing. I'm not going to talk a lot about it because then what will I review for you guys, but love it. Very excited for this. Then I have obviously another foundation. So this is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I have been wanting this so much, but I don't know, इसका price कभी कम ही नहीं, the shade that I wanted इसका price कभी कम ही नहीं होता था. This one is for 1300 and always the shade I wanted was either out of stock or it would obviously be around, you know, 1300 only, और बाकी shades का price कम होता था. Obviously I didn't want it, so I bought the shade True Beige this time, and I think I got it for around 1000 something. Obviously it's still not cheap, but I wanted to try this, so this is what it looks like. Very excited for it. Obviously I'm excited for all the products because you guys know me. Then let me show you guys this. Yeah, so with the foundation I also have a lip liner obsession. I got 8 lip liners. Can you imagine? Matlab, you know, when I started doing makeup, I didn't used to use lip liners because I thought it was the added step. It is a hassle, but oh my god, you guys, जब से मैंने lip liners लगाना start करा है, there's no going back. First of all, they make your lips look very fuller, very beautiful, and the shape comes out really nice. So I always use a lip liner even if I'm in a hurry. So I got 8 of these from PAC. Okay, obviously that had to happen. So I got, these are the PAC lip pencils. Yeah, I'll leave the prices that I got them for, but these retail for 225, so I leave the prices that I got them for. So I have 8 because 4 I got for myself and 3 are for my sisters, so I have to give them also. So I have it in the shade Mauve, Natural, Brown and Coffee. Again, very beautiful product. आपको जिसका भी review, full on review चाहिए, आप सिर्फ comment कर सकते हो and I will review it for you guys. Then I have yeah, let's go to some hair products. So this is the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum. This is a repurchase again. मैंने ये पहले use करा हुआ है and Guys, this is literally the best serum out there, and it is, look, the bottle is super luxe, super beautiful, and the product in itself is amazing at this price. And मेरे को तो अभी सेल पे ये बहुत ही cheap पड़ा. I think I got it for around 250 or 300 या 350 के बीच में शायद. And it is just amazing. Even at 500, this is such a steal deal. Definitely get it. This is a repurchase, as I said. ये बहुत 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 अच्छा है for your hair. It just makes sure that your hair is not frizzy, adds shine, and it doesn't feel oily at all. So it's very good. And apart from that, I also wanted to try this one. This is the L'Oreal Dream Length No Haircut Cream. This is what it looks like. It's like a leave-in conditioner sort of a cream. So if you feel like your hair is very frizzy and there is split ends, this one is for that. When you try it, I'm not really sure what I feel about it, so I will try it more and review it for you guys later. But that's what I have. Then I also, for the first time, can you imagine, I'm a beauty creator and I have never tried a dry shampoo. So this time I thought, why not? So this is the Batiste dry instant hair refresh dry shampoo. This is what it looks like. It is in the variant coconut and exotic tropical. Yeah, it feels very coconutty. I love coconut ki fragrance, and the only reason I got this variant was because this was the cheapest of them all. ये I think 50% off पे था. मैंने सिर्फ इसलिए लिया because मेरे को try करना था. I have a very oily scalp, and literally at the third day my hair gets very oily, so I wanted to try it for that. Then yeah, I think that's, no, I have another keratin. Yeah, this is the Tresemme hair protecting spray. So I have not never, but I don't really have a lot of hair protection sprays because I usually do not use hair tools, and you guys will know कि मैंने क्यों लिया है in the rest of the video when you watch it. But I wanted to use it because now I want to experiment a lot more with my hairstyles, because I feel like I love my hair, it's straight and everything, but sometimes you need to, you know, do a lot of things for videos. So I wanted to pick this one up. This is the Keratin Smooth Heat Protecting Spray, as I just said. मैंने ये use नहीं करा, of course I'll use it and let you know how it feels. Then I think that's it from Nykaa. No, I have this one product also. This is the Essence I Love Extreme mascara. This is the volume mascara, and it's also waterproof. This is what I have right now. If you guys know my obsession with mascaras, I love lashes, like long fluttery lashes, but I have very poker straight lashes, so they don't just curl up, and this is the mascara I have right now. I genuinely feel it is really good, especially for my lashes जो कभी भी curl up और अच्छे से they just don't show up on my face. So I think it is really good, and normal लोगों की lashes भी तो ये बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, but I really love it. The only hassle is उसको remove करना, because of course it's waterproof, but I'm not complaining, I knew that. Okay, then I also, yeah, I think that's all from Nykaa. I have a few more products, but वो PR है, तो of course I'm not gonna show that to you guys in this video. But let me know if you guys would want to see what's in my mail or a PR haul, क्योंकि उसमें भी मैं आपको बहुत सारे makeup products दिखा सकती हूँ, everything that I do receive. But ये सब जो मैं आपको इस वीडियो में दिखा रही हूँ, it is everything that I bought from my own money. Alright, so that's it for Nykaa. But I also shop from another app that's called Cult. Now this is what the packaging looks like. I really love the packaging. बहुत अच्छे से pack होके आए थे. This was the first time I shopped from this app, and I saw a lot of influencer ads and everything, so I thought let me try that. So the only thing I don't like is कि इनकी app is not very user friendly. I mean, yeah, genuinely it's not very user friendly. It is very difficult, and बहुत सारे brands और products भी नहीं है. So if आपको कुछ मिल जाता then you can buy, but yeah, I think it's a new brand or new app hai, so maybe they will improve in the future. The first thing that I got from Cult is this set of 3 MAC lipsticks. Now of course मुझे और lipsticks की ज़रूरत नहीं थी, but I don't know, I just find them really good, and I didn't have these shades, so I wanted to try, and plus मेरे को बहुत अच्छे discount पे मिल गया. So I think they recently, MAC had a collaboration with Bhumi, and I will leave the packaging right here. इसी packaging में आया था, of course वो मेरे को मिल नहीं रही है, but these are the 3 lipsticks I have. I have them in these shades. It's called All Fired Up, Mocha, and D for Danger. I only have tried Mocha. It's what I have sort of on my lips right now. Love it. Next thing that I got from Cult has to be something that I was super excited for. It is Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. So this is their Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear foundation. This is what it looks like. I was just so excited for it. I got it in the shade 240 and this is what the actual product looks like. Of course I also gave myself a reasoning कि मेरे को आपके लिए try करना है, so obviously don't worry, there will be a review coming up. I think I'm planning a series to review all of these foundations. Let me know if you guys want to see a mini review on reels for this, or you want me to do a full on review after trying it for the first few times, and you guys want me to do a full on review on YouTube itself, like dedicated video for this. Let me know about that. Okay, so that's it that I got from Cult. Yeah, alright, so that's it from Cult. And apart from all of this, I also got some of the makeup from you can say like a store, or they do also have a website on Instagram, so you can check them out as well. So this is Garg Traders. It's a store in Ludhiana, so I got this from them. This is the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Of course, this is every makeup artist's favorite, and now I'm a makeup artist, so I had to try it. And of course मैंने पहले अपने shade में लिया because it's a very expensive foundation. I just didn't want a wrong shade, so I have, this is the packaging it looks like. I have it in the shade Punjab. Guys, this is what Luxe looks like. It is super luxe. The glass packaging, everything just feels very very good. मैंने इसको अभी तक बिल्कुल try नहीं किया. I think it's been a week that I have it, और मैं ये video film करना चाहती थी, इसलिए मैंने इसको अभी तक try नहीं करा. Very excited for it, and I'm just so, honestly I'm just so happy. I'll leave a few videos right here जो आप देख सकते हो. When you'll see, I used to buy makeup जब Nykaa पे in these Pink Friday sales, and I was just so excited for everything, every little thing that I used to get, and now I'm buying these brands. I'm just so happy and so grateful. So I love it, and yeah, I'm very excited to try this. I'm excited to try everything, you guys. Alright guys, so the next thing that I got are these hair tools from Iconic. Now if you're a makeup artist or if you're a hair artist, you need these tools. These are like basic tools you should have, and I wanted to try these. This is the Iconic titanium crimper. So of course you need a hair crimper for any hairstyle, so I have that. And then I have the Iconic S3 Plus ceramic straightener. So I got these of course for my clients, and of course I'll be trying them for myself also, because obviously I need to create videos. See, मैंने अभी तक इनकी packaging भी नहीं खोली है क्योंकि I wanted to share it with you guys. So definitely let me know if you guys want to see a video dedicated to these tools, because I'll be trying them for the first time. अभी तक obviously नहीं try करा मैंने. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I know मैंने ये video थोड़ी जल्दी में film करी है, थोड़ा जल्दी बोल रही हूँ मैं, only because my camera's battery is about to die and I didn't want to be interrupted. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you found it helpful, loved the vibe. And if you did, make sure you subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on my Instagram for all more such beauty videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. I love you.